Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to study about different types of operating systems. In the last class, we have studied 2 points. One is what is an operating system, and then different functions of an operating system. What is an operating system? Yes, operating system is a software that control overall the activities of a computer. And what are the different functions of an operating system? First thing, operating system support multitasking and multiprocessing. OS support multitasking and multiprocessing. It protects the computer from illegal users. It protects the computer from illegal users, and it support graphics. OS support graphics. Okay, these are the different functions of an operating system. And today we are going to start different types of operating system. So operating systems are classified into 2 types. One is command line interface operating system and graphical user interface operating system. So shall we read the text? Take page number 15 and the pencil. Types of operating systems. Different types of operating systems are designed for different types of computers. Some popular OSs are as follows. MS-DOS. MS-DOS is Microsoft Disk Operating System. You just underline MS-DOS is Microsoft Disk, or you just underline that sentence. MS-DOS is Microsoft Disk Operating System. MS-DOS stands for Microsoft Disk Operating System. That is used to write simple commands. It does not allow graphics. Graphics means images, pictures, icons, menus, all these things. This type of OS is called the command line interface operating system. This type of OS is called command line interface operating system or CLI operating system. You can type those commands and check the hardware software details of the computer. You can see the screen over there, right? It is black in color. It is not user friendly and it doesn't support graphics. We cannot see any pictures in this type of computers. Okay, turn next page. So MS-DOS is an example of CLI operating system. MS-DOS is an example of CLI operating system. Next is Windows. A company named Microsoft creates many software programs. A company named Microsoft creates many software programs. From the creation of DOS, it went on to create Windows with many versions like Windows 95, Windows 98, XP, 8 and 10. All these are the different versions of Windows operating system. Every year, Microsoft launch revised editions every year. But we need not replace our operating system every year. Operating system can satisfy our needs, then we can keep the same operating system. No need to install new operating system or updated versions every year. എല്ലാ വർഷവും അങ്ങനെ പുതിയ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റംസ് ലോഞ്ച് ആവും. പക്ഷെ അത് നമ്മുടെ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ എല്ലാ പ്രാവശ്യവും അതിങ്ങനെ എല്ലാ വർഷവും നമുക്ക് ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല. നമ്മുടെ നീഡ്സ് നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ ആ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം തന്നെ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. Clear? And each of these operating system uses graphics, menus and icons and can do many functions on the computer. Such OSs are called graphic user interface. You just underline GUI. GUI means what? Graphic user interface. Windows operating systems are example of graphic user interface operating system. Similarly, Unix and Linux are example of graphic GUI operating system, and also Mac OS or Macintosh is an example of GUI operating system. Okay, MS-DOS is a command line interface operating system. Okay, example for CLI operating system is MS-DOS. Okay, all other rest of the operating systems are example of. In this text we are discussing about Windows, Unix, Linux and Mac OS. All these are example of graphical user interface operating systems. Clear? Then Unix and Linux. See, some people pronounce it as Linux. Okay, instead of Linux, Linux. Both are correct. Okay, some people pronounce Linux, some people pronounce Linux. Both are correct. Okay, Unix and Linux are very popular operating systems used on servers. Underline that sentence. Unix and Linux are very popular operating systems used on servers. Servers are computer systems that have most of the information and usually have a lot of memory and a hard disk space. Unix and Linux use text-based commands and perform the computer operations. Okay, so you can see the logos of Windows operating system and Linux. See one penguin, you can see one penguin over there. This is the logo of Linux and Unix operating system, and you can see windows, squares, a circle. Inside that you can see 4 colors, and that is the icon of Windows operating system. And for Mac OS, it is Apple. Okay, Mac OS is developed by a company called Apple. So its icon is Apple. Its logo is Apple. So whenever you see this logos, you should know that, oh yes, this is about Mac OS, or this is about Linux or Unix, or this is about Windows. Okay, all these are the different logos you should keep in mind. Understand, children? So Linux and Unix are used in server computers. So what is a server computer? Server computer means in a network, many computers are connected to one particular computer. So in such server computers, we use Linux and Unix as operating system, because this Linux and Unix operating system can easily handle many operations together. Okay, so next is Mac OS. Mac OS is also called Macintosh. Underline that sentence. Mac OS is also called Macintosh. This graphical operating system was created by the company named Apple Inc. Macintosh was created at the same time when Microsoft created Windows. Actually, this Mac OS is similar to Windows operating system. Okay, both operating systems are launched at the same time. Okay, both operating systems are launched at the same time. Okay, this was created to introduce the use of graphics, menus and icons. Instead of using commands to write, so instead of writing commands, we can use menus, icons and menus, icons and graphics, pictures. Okay, instead of typing commands, we can use menus and icons to operate or to perform functions. But the users find it easy to use the computer. So it is a user-friendly operating system. Mac OS and Windows operating system are similar to each other, and both the operating systems are launched at the same time, and both the operating systems support graphics, and it is very easy to use. Understand, children? Only this much. We finish the chapter, and I will again explain things using a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much.